YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos on Hayward's AquaNaut 200. This will work for both the 200 and the 250, so stay tuned. We're going to dive right in. All right guys, so we're back. So today we've got Hayward's AquaNaut 200. This is their 2-wheel suction side pool cleaner. As you guys could tell after our nice beautiful intro that Danny has put together for us, the cleaner is stripped down to pretty much just the internals. If you guys want to know how we got to this point, check out the links below the video in the description. We've got a playlist for you guys that will walk you guys through how to get down to this point. You will need to remove the top shroud in order to actually get access into the inside of the cleaner. So at the very least, go through and make sure that you guys follow this top shroud video in order to get access in here. So for today's video, I want to show you guys how to remove the drive kit on the left side, as well as one of the drive kits on the right side. These are two really wearable parts of the cleaner. If you've seen some of our videos with the wheels themselves, Hayward's wheels actually have a tread on the inside that these plastic prongs, axles, whatever you want to call them, actually ride and glide as the cleaner is moving. So it does help drive that cleaner forward with the power of the suction and the actual turbine on the cleaner. But as we all know, plastic and chemicals tend to wear, so you're going to get a lot of rounded edges on these axles. And so over time, and pretty much almost every season, you're going to need to make sure that you guys are focused on not only the internal wheel hubs to make sure that those are still good teeth for this to actually grab, but as well as the actual drive kits to make sure that they are able to ride those these treads on the inside of the tire. So really important that you guys make sure you focus on those. That's going to be one big driving force of your cleaner. So really simple, quick fix. The one thing you're looking for is once you guys have stripped it down, you do need to take a tire off. If your tires are still on after you removed your shroud, you will need to remove a tire in order to be able to get both drivetrains out, because the tires are going to stop them. Obviously they ride in the inside of the tire, so you're going to need to go ahead and remove that. But once you have, really gently, I just want you guys to kind of push towards yourself as well as out on the left side. And again, one way that you can tell what the left side is from the right side is if you were to actually flip it over, the inlet on the bottom will tell you the left and right side of the cleaner. It has an L and an R on it, so it will tell you what side's the left and right, so then that way you know. In my case, for you guys, the front of the cleaner is facing you, and so the left side obviously is this end. So once you guys have gotten that out, you're going to just go ahead and slide that off. You want to be careful. The left side drivetrain is going to actually have a spring in it, and just in case, sometimes those springs may come flying out or get launched. So again, try to do this away from the pool so that you're not trying to dive down into your pool and find a tiny little spring. So I'm at a nice table right here, really easy to deal with. So go ahead, set that off to the side, and then again right here on the inside, we're going to focus on the right side drivetrain here. So you're going to want to gently kind of wiggle this out. Again, it's tough because of the fact that these gears all ride together. So as you saw, I kind of pulled on the actual axle to come out this way. That frees up this other gear inside. And so I'll go ahead and set that down. You saw it actually came out with one bearing. There is a secondary bearing inside this tube, so you do need to make sure that you guys actually get that out as well, so that you guys replace them all together. Again, the parts that we'll have listed down below for you guys will have all of these parts included, so that way you guys know what you're expected to get. But here's your right side that actually runs with the gear itself, and then you have a left side that actually has the main spring here. The whole purpose of this white part with the two springs is to help adjust the cam, so that as this cleaner is spinning and going through a cycle around your pool, this cam will allow it to change different directions at different times. That way that cleaner doesn't get stuck at any given point, and then that way the cleaner can optimally clean all over the pool. So it is not driven by a brain. There is not electronics in here, so this is their version of an electronic. You can call this your main steering gear. That's why I call it your steering cam, is because as this rotates around, this will actually trigger, which will cause the cleaner to turn different directions. So Again, when you're going to replace them, you're going to want to start from the right side, make your bait back into putting the left side in. As these gears coexist together, they have to go into each other. So if you're trying to push this side in and then shove the gear in from it just doesn't work. So start from the right side, get that all situated, and then move in your left drive kit to make sure that everything sits in there nice and easy for you. So again, I really appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys check out all those links and all the products directly linked in the description below the video for you guys. They'll take you directly to our website. You guys can see all of these in a big part breakdown, so you can see all the other working parts of your cleaner, as well as purchase anything else that you might need in the meantime. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to subscribe. We're going to have some more videos coming your way. Until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and we'll see you next time.